everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so if you saw my last video, it was a commissioned piece for a client, and when I was done with it, you know, we had put the light rose in there and none of it showed up in the actual painting. So I discussed it with my client and we both agreed that, you know what, the thing is, she loved the painting, but the painting is actually for a friend of hers. She's giving it to her as a birthday gift, and her friend really loves pink a lot, and there was no pink to be had in that piece. So I'm going to be doing another one. We've talked about it. We've totally changed the color palette, and we're going to make sure there's a lot of pink and mauve in this one. So the other piece, which I shall show you, is still drying. Right, oh, there's Echo barking. So here's the piece, all right, and it's still very wet, but this piece from the last video is now available for purchase. And I actually wiped out, if you remember, I put pink down here in the bottom corner and I had blown it out with my mouth, and I put pink here in the top. And once I talked to my client and she had told me, let's try a different one, I actually came back down to the basement and I took out the pink. I actually just wiped it out with my finger while it was still wet. So I ended up coming back and I literally wiped it out and just put some white paint back on, and the pink is gone completely. So I actually like it that way. So if anyone's interested in that piece is available for purchase. All right, so back to a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and I'm going to be flooding it with my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. It is my 2019. Okay, if you're using 2020 or a 2021 bottle, you will get a bunch of cells and the white paint will eat up all your colors. So for those of you, if you saw my last video, you can use the Titanium White by Artist Loft if you cannot get your hands on a 2019 bottle. So the colors I'm going to be using that we've decided on are completely different from the palette we had in the last video. So we're going to start with Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft, and then we have Quinacridone Magenta by Holbein, followed by 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt, and then I haven't used this color in a while, Mauve by Holbein, and topping it off, we're still going to use the Iridescent Green Blue by Pebeo. So those are my colors. So what do you think about that? And then, of course, back to the flower hair dryer. I really like using this for smaller canvases. It really helps with blowing out the paint exactly the way I want it to. So that is what I'm going to be using tonight. These are my colors tonight, and let me cross my fingers, and hopefully we get a lot of the mauve and the magenta in there. All right, I'm gonna flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, so I am ready to go. Canvas flooded, bubbles popped with the torch. Let's get started. I'm going to do the same design as the last video because this is my commissioned piece. So we're going to start with the metallic cobalt blue, and we shall go like so and so. All right. And this is literally the next day after doing the other video. Oh, I got a little explosion of magenta here, or quinacridone. It is, right now it's Wednesday, but you're watching this on Saturday. And I'm actually, when you're watching this, I'm in the middle of doing my workshop with my awesome students who are attending. So I can't wait to show you guys pictures of the workshop and maybe some video, we shall see. and the results from people's pieces. I'm gonna put up some pictures, hopefully. If you're on Instagram, they'll be on there for sure. Oh, I just took the cap right off. I don't know, my own strength, apparently. What happened? Oh, there we go. I need another. I totally ripped the cap right off that. All right, let's try that again. There we go. All right, so we've got the mauve. And last but not least, I really like the green blue. I use a lot of the blue green, but the green blue is really nice. All right, lots of color on this one. This will be an interesting turnout. Let's see. Let's pop the bubbles. Ooh, it looks pretty already. Okay, as you know it, I'm going to blow down into the negative space and keep going. Well, now, if this isn't enough pink and mauve, I don't know what is. This is really pretty. And I love the gold. Like, I love the gold, the shimmer that is added, and the cells that are created with the gold. I love it. I really do. It's so colorful. It's so colorful. All right, I don't know what I want to do here. There's a little bit of negative white space and just like a little drip going down here. So I think I'm just going to blow this over and, you know, fix that. There we go. Now it's all falling nicely. There's a white petal down here that I would like to torch with my other torch. This one I have here is way too powerful. I'm going to get my other torch and just lightly torch that one little white petal here. That's it. I wanted to get some color in there. So there you go. That's it. I am not touching anything else aside from fixing my sides, which I will do off camera. So I will be right back. Welcome back. All right, so I have fixed all my sides. A lot of people have been asking me in my last few videos where you can get this. I got these from the dollar store. You can get a smaller size or this big size. They are actually bamboo skewers for kebabs. So you will find them, I find them at the dollar store, but that's what they are. They are bamboo skewers, all right? So you want to make sure you scrape those drips. Super duper important, okay? For those of you who are new watching. All right, let's move this out of the way and look at that. Now, this is super rich in color. It is absolutely gorgeous. See, this is where I torched. All this was white before, and then I torched and I got all those colors. So look how much it made a difference. It really did. So let's check out. There's going to be so much shimmer in this piece because of the 24 karat gold. And I love the turquoise in here and the mauve. I just love all the colors. So I'm actually really glad we agreed and decided to try another piece and just change up the whole color palette. completely change it up, since that light rose just clearly did not work and disappeared. It probably would have worked if I had put it on the top and not near the bottom when I layered my colors down. So, you know, the way you layer your colors makes a difference, right? So there you have it. I'm going to turn the lights off and let's check out that shimmer. So let's see. Look at that. You can always see so much shimmer when it's dark in the studio, not afternoon daylight coming through the windows. So this piece is going to shimmer and shine like crazy. I love it. Absolutely love it. Look at that. Wherever you look, there is shimmer. So this shall dry. It will get a top coat of crystal resin, of course. And it will be beautiful. Look at that. I love it. It's so pretty. I'm really happy with this piece. All right, so there you have it, everybody. I'd love to know what you guys think about this piece. So let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's it. Everything you need to know is listed in the description below. Check the description box below the video. There's a lot of information in there. The timestamps are in there. Discounts to all different kinds of websites. If you're interested in purchasing items that I use, there's discounts to some of the stuff. I'm very excited to be meeting everybody at the workshop this Saturday. And that is it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are a new watcher and you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next video. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.